Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will talk about PetroVault, which is a web portal repository for our group project. So in today's digital world, a lot of important information is posted online, but sometimes website change or shut down, and that content can disappear forever. This is a big problem for Malaysia's oil and gas industry. Press releases such as official news about company updates, new policies, and industry changes are often spread out across many websites with no backup. That's why we made PetroVault, a central online repository that saves and organizes these important files. Now let's look at the overview of PetroVault. Its main goal is to digital archive of oil and gas press releases in Malaysia. PetroVault is a website-based archive made to collect, save, and give easy access to press releases from Malaysia's energy companies. We built it using WARC files to store content safely, metadata tags to keep everything organized, and mobile-friendly design so it works on any device. So PetroVault isn't just a website. It's a safe repository system for Malaysia's energy document. Now let's take a look at the project background. PetroVault is a working website archive built with one main job, which is to gather, protect, and provide one place for Malaysian oil and gas press releases. To keep everything safe, we use WARC files with metadata labels and easy-to-use design so anyone can view it on the phone, tablet, or computer. Why does this matter? PetroVault stops important documents from being lost and help people research and learn how to make better decisions. Now for our three main objectives of this project. First, to build a clear and organized website just for Malaysian oil and gas press releases. Second, to use standard metadata labels like titles, dates, and file types so everything is easy to find and manage. Third, to make a lasting and flexible system that can grow with future needs and new technology. With this objective, PetroVault will work well today and stay useful for years to come.
Significance of the web portal repository. Let's begin with why this is needed. The PetroVault repository serves four key purposes. It acts as a central access point for all Malaysian oil and gas press release. This centralization makes information access easier and faster for everyone. It directly improves transparency and public awareness of industry development. And crucially, it prevents the loss of important digital information over time, ensuring these records are not forgotten or degraded. The reason for selecting the web portal model. So why did we choose the web portal as the solution? Simply put, it's the most fit for purpose model. It's naturally suitable for public access and sharing. It organizes information systematically, moving beyond scattered PDF or web pages. It must support efficient search and retrieval because findability is a key. And finally, it's built on a flexible architecture that allows for feature expansion and integration with other systems. Let's move to the comparison between web portal and archive database. To understand our choice better, let's contrast a web portal with an archive database. Our web portal focuses on accessibility and user interaction. It's easily accessed via any browser, frequently updated, and offers user-friendly search. An archive database focuses more on long-term preservation. It might have restricted access, less frequent updates, and strong emphasis on data authenticity. PetroVault is designed to bridge this gap to providing the user-friendly, accessible nature of a web portal with the preservation-minded ethos of an archive. After that, advantages and the importance of preservation. This hybrid approach delivers powerful advantages. Number 1, a user-friendly interface for easy searching. Number 2, faster retrieval through smart categorization and keyword. Number 3, an overall improved user experience with clear information. And the last one is flexibility for feature growth that we mentioned. But beyond convenience, this work is about preservation. It's important because it protects information from being deleted or altered, support research and historical reference, ensure long-term access to reliable record, and ultimately preserve the legacy of Malaysian national oil and gas industry.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. This website is called PetroVault My. It is a digital archive that collects press releases and important documents from Malaysia's oil and gas industry. The main purpose of this website is to make sure industry information easy to access, manage, and store in one platform. Instead of searching from many different websites, users can come here and find everything in one place. The homepage gives a quick overview of what the website is about and how users can start using it. This section explains the background and purpose of PetroVault My. The project was created to centralize press releases from the oil and gas industry in Malaysia. It helps students, researchers, and the public get reliable and organized information. This section also shows that the website is not only for viewing, but also for preserving important industrial records for future use. This is the main part of the website and the most important feature. Here, users can access a collection of press releases and documents from companies such as Petronas, Shell, and others. Users can search by keyword, filter by company, and select documents by date. They can preview the document first before downloading it. This makes information searching faster, more systematic, and more user-friendly. This section introduces the people behind the PetroVault My project. Each team member has their own responsibility, such as system development, design content collection, and testing. It shows that the website was developed through teamwork and cooperation. This also reflects how different skills are needed to complete a digital project successfully.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamzah bin Munaha and I will be talking about the next part of the system. So now let's take a look at the metadata. So metadata means the information about data or information about documents. In this website, metadata includes details such as title, company name, date, file format, and description. So with metadata, it helps users to search and find documents more easily. It also keeps the archive organized and also systematic. So without metadata, managing a large number of documents will be very difficult for the users. Let's take a look at the archive collection of our system. On the view details, we can see the metadata, which are the company name, date published, and also the document type, which are all descriptive metadata. And also the technical metadata also can be seen here, which is the revised national energy policies. Also, preservation metadata is the industry implications. All the description are also provided here. Let's take a look at the metadata section of our website. So, in this part, we provide all of the metadata types applied. We provide the purpose of each of the metadata type, which is descriptive metadata. It helps users discover and identify the resources. So, for example, in this project is the title, company, date, summary, and document type. The next metadata type is technical metadata, which describe the technical aspects for preservation, which commonly known as the file format, file size, capture the date, also the source URL. The next metadata is preservation metadata, which supports long-term preservation activities. In example of this in the project is archival date, checksum, preservation action. So next is HTML metadata implementation. So in this website, it uses HTML meta tags, which in the head section of each page to provide metadata for search engines and archiving system. So we can see the meta tags, HTML meta tags on the website. Let's take a look at another part, which is the contact. This section allows users to communicate with the project team. Users can send feedback and ask questions or report any problem that they face in the system. It helps the team to improve the website and fix the issues. This section shows that website is interactive and open for users for engagement. Let's take a look at our contact us on our system. So you can see in this form, users can fill in their full name, email address, their subject of choosing, and also the inquiry or complaint. Users can fill in on this form based on our website. So after fill in all of the form, users will have to click on the submit inquiry button, and the inquiry will be sent to us. The other alternative contact method is by contacting the information that we have provided here. Next is the project information section, which all of the information on our project. And the last is the footer of our project. You can see the quick links that will navigate in our website, and also the contact info for our project. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Now let's talk about who benefits from PetroVault and why preservation matters. First, we identify 6 main groups that will find PetroVault especially useful. The first one is industry researcher and analysis that can use PetroVault as a structured and searchable archive to study past trends and announcements. Second, energy companies such as Petronas and Shell Malaysia benefit by having their official press releases permanently preserved, helping with compliance and corporate memory. Third, government agencies such as Ministry of Energy or MIDA can use PetroVault as a trusted reference when creating policies or monitoring the industry. Next is academic institutions like university and colleges can use PetroVault as a learning and research tool for courses related to energy, business and media. Last but not least, media organizations can verify past statements and improve the accuracy of their energy reporting. Finally, students and the general public can access reliable information about Malaysia's energy sector, supporting transparency and public awareness. Beyond helping this group, PetroVault plays a bigger role in Malaysia's development. First, it preserves Malaysia's economic story, which its press releases are a part of our national history. They show how the energy sector has grown and changed over time. Second, it promotes transparency. When corporate and government announcements are openly archived, it builds public trust and accountability. Third, it supports the digital economy. PetroVault aligns with the Malaysia's digital economy blueprint by turning temporary online content into lasting digital knowledge. Next, it helps future generations. Students, researchers and leaders can learn from the past to make better decisions in the future. And finally, it's a step towards sustainable digital preservation. PetroVault shows how thoughtful archiving can protect important information while supporting national progress.
In conclusion, the PetroVault project demonstrates the clear viability of dedicated digital archive for the oil and gas sector. It provides safe storage, preservation and public access. It creates an organized interactive platform for users. The use of metadata enrich content description and ensure long-term usability. We acknowledge the current limitation of our prototypes. It's a basic implementation with limited automation and content scope. However, this project shows large potential. The path forward is clear to enhancement and expansion. We have a firm framework upon which to build a more comprehensive, automated, and indispensable national resource.